Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can able to make money using Plamfy Live. Okay, make sure you don't skip this video because I'm going to be showing you how you can able to withdraw your money, how you can able to do some activities on Plamfy live streaming. And without wasting much of your time, let me dive into the main video. If you don't have the app, all you need to do is for you to head over to the Play Store or Apple Store, search for Plamfy, which I'm going to be showing you right now. Then let me just click on it. I've already have the app on my phone. Okay, I started to do this because a lot of people have been sending messages. Is this app light? So the app is okay. It's light. It pays. Okay. So once you open the app, this is how you're gonna be seeing the interface of the app. The app is okay. A lot of people have been saying it to me. Faith, is this app light? The truth is that Plamfy is light. They pays. If you know what you are doing on this app, they pay. Make sure you don't skip this video. Don't skip any of this video because if you miss anything, you're not going to earn money here on Plamfy Live. I know that this app is. Let me just say this. This app is not a tax app. It's not like once you go live streaming for 1 hour, you will receive 500 or 1,000. No, this app is made for like, it's just for you to go live streaming, interact with people. People will gift you. There is no way you will go live here without seeing somebody that will gift you here. That is the most exciting things I like about Plamfy. There is no way you will go live. The first time I went live here, I make up to $5 that day, unless you did not dress well or something like that. So, but if you dress well, look nice, interact with people, like gist with people, make sure you are friendly with people. There is no way you will go live here without seeing somebody that will say you hi, how are you? You'll be gisting with that person, and that person will be gifting you here diamond here. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, I'm going to register here by clicking on my Google account. Sorry. Okay, it's actually loading. Make sure you log in with your Google account or your phone number or your Facebook, anyone you can. But me, I actually use my Google to log in because anything can happen. If you don't have Google account, go and create Google. Stop using your phone number to log in. So that even if you miss your phone, even if you miss your number, you can able to get your account back. Because if you miss your number, you cannot be able to get this account of this Plamfy back. But Google, you remember that anytime you want to log in, you just click there, unless you deleted the email. Okay, let me just wait, guys. Okay, let me just wait. My network is my Wi-Fi is low. I think this is going to take some seconds. Maybe maybe you want to log in and start doing like this. Don't panic. Okay, it's actually bringing the Google my Google account. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this page because I don't want to expose my email account. Then I've already selected my email account. Then I'll click on it. Then it's going to automatically bring me here. Let me just wait. Check my network is the. As you can see, complete your profile. Messi. So as you can see, my email account and everything. So now you need to choose your username, or as you can see, your email is already presented. Don't change your email because this is the email used to log in. Don't change your email. As you can see, this gender, make sure you don't click on secret. Make sure you click female. If you are female, go with female. Note that men actually join this app. Note, men are doing this app, not only female. Because the way you interact with people is the more you are going to receive gifts here. If somebody comes to your life, you does not gist with them, it does not do anything to them, does not greet them, there is no way they will interact with you. Okay, so you need to go ahead and click female. As you can see, example beauty blog from NY. So it does not mean anything. Then you click on save. Then you will save it. Then they're going to bring the top streamers that is streaming here, people that is getting like, top streamers here. Then you don't need to follow all of them. All you need to do is to click on this plus that is here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. You can enter any live you want here. Any live you want, you can enter, because all of them are doing live streaming. As you can, people are singing. If you know how to sing, this app is for you. If you know anything you like to do, you can do it here. So now I'm going to end this account because I'm actually creating this account for my gear. So now, as you can see on my screen, agency and extra diamond, which I'm going to click now. Then you're going to see that partnership condition, become an agency. This one is that if you want to become an official agency, you can go ahead and click on it and become an official agency here. As you can see, vice streamers, referral code. As you can see, this is actually my referral code, which I've already copied here. Then if you want to join an agency, I'm not an official agency, but you can actually use my referral code to join as an agency here. Okay, so as you can see, if you don't have an agency yet to join an agency, add the referral code. Okay, you can actually add, this is actually my referral code, which I'm going to put down on the comment of this video. As you can see, the referral link and everything. So I'm going to put, if you want to download this app direct, not like going to Play Store and search for it, you're going to see it, the link on the comment of this video. Go ahead, add the referral code. Okay, so as you can see, anybody you invited, make sure you send the person your referral code. The person will add it. Okay, this is how this place works. Okay, so as you can see, my streamers is like how many times I've streamed here. So let me just leave here and show you more. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on invite friends to earn. You can actually invite your friends and earn. This is actually the amount of money I've made here. I have earned $5 here. Like I earned this $5 per day. The time I log in on this app, I go live, and immediately I started interact with people. People have started gifting me, and I earn $5 that day automatically. If you are good by interacting with people, there is no way people will come to your life without gifting you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.